Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use the channels feature on WhatsApp. So this is the newest version that we have. First things first, do make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp. So to do so, all you need to do is go into your Play Store right here. Let's go ahead and search for WhatsApp. And then go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of your WhatsApp Messenger right here. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys are updated whenever we upload a new video. Go ahead and stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's go into our WhatsApp right here. And then what we're going to do is we need to go into the updates tab right here. Now you should be able to see the channels section. So we have the status section on the top, but we have the channel section right here as well. So all you need to do is if you're not following anyone at the moment, then you can go ahead and take a look at the recommended ones from WhatsApp. So go ahead and follow any of these and then go ahead and click follow. Now you'll be given this and all you need to do is go ahead and read through it and then accept and continue. So you're now following one of the channels. And then if you want to go ahead and add more channels or to follow more channels, then all you need to do is click on the plus icon right here or see all channels right here. Now this will give you a list of all of the channels, and the channels that have the green tick means that the channels have been verified by WhatsApp as being authentic. Now you can go ahead and search through all of the channels right here. There are some filters that you can go ahead and use. So these are most active, popular, new, and then you can do it also based on the region that you're at. So go ahead and just choose a region that you want. Say for example, let's choose United Kingdom right here. So these are the ones that are curated towards United Kingdom. And then just go ahead and click on the plus whenever you want to go ahead and follow. So let's go back right here. And as you can see, I'm following two different channels. And if you want to go ahead and remove a channel, all you need to do is go into the channel itself. And then on the top right, go ahead and click on that three dots. Now you should be able to see unfollow right here. So go ahead and click on this. Now confirm that you want to unfollow by clicking on unfollow. And there you go. So you're now unfollowed this channel. And that is pretty much it. So go ahead and follow all the channels that you would like to go ahead and choose and then interact with the channel itself. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.